Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future with the top 5 must-have gadgets for 2025. If you're a tech enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. We're stepping out of the present and taking a deep dive into the future, specifically 2025. Why? Because the future of tech is closer than you think, and trust me, you're going to want to see this. We're talking about the top 5 must-have gadgets that are going to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. If you're a tech enthusiast, you know I live for this stuff, so buckle up because you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with a gadget that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, smart glasses. We've seen early versions of this tech, but trust me, what's coming in 2025 is on another level. Imagine this. You're walking down the street and you instantly get directions overlaid right on your glasses. Need a restaurant recommendation? Your smart glasses will pull up reviews and ratings based on your location and preferences in real time, but it goes beyond just information. We're talking about augmented reality experiences seamlessly integrated into your daily life. Imagine attending a virtual meeting with colleagues from around the world, all while sitting in your living room. Or how about getting step-by-step instructions for fixing something without ever having to look away from what you're working on? And the best part? The tech is getting smaller, lighter, and more stylish. We're not talking about clunky headsets here. Think sleek, minimalist designs that look like regular glasses. Some models might even have customizable frames and lenses. They'll be the ultimate fashion meets function accessory. But it's not just about looks, it's about seamless integration. Imagine controlling your smart home devices with a simple voice command or gesture picked up by your glasses. Adjust the thermostat, turn on the lights, even preheat your oven, all without lifting a finger. And for all you content creators out there, smart glasses are about to change the game. Imagine recording video or live streaming from your point of view, capturing exactly what you see and hear. The possibilities for immersive storytelling and content creation are limitless. Now let's talk about smartphones, or should I say foldable phones. We've already seen some amazing foldable devices hit the market, but 2025 is going to take things to a whole new level. Imagine a phone that unfolds into a tablet-sized screen, giving you the best of both worlds. But it's not just about screen size, we're talking about advancements in flexible display technology that will blow your mind. Imagine screens that fold and bend in multiple ways, opening up a world of possibilities for design and functionality. Think about it. You could have a phone that folds out into a mini gaming console with dedicated controls, or a device that transforms into a compact laptop for on-the-go productivity. The possibilities are endless, and let's not forget about durability. These foldable phones are being built to last, with scratch-resistant screens and robust hinges that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. But it's not just about hardware. Software is evolving alongside it. Imagine apps that seamlessly adapt to different screen sizes and orientations, giving you a truly optimized experience no matter how you're using your device. Moving on to something that's going to revolutionize the way we live, AI-powered home assistants. We're not just talking about setting timers and playing music anymore. These next-gen assistants are about to become your ultimate home companions. Imagine walking into your home and the lights automatically adjust to your preferred brightness. The temperature is set to your liking and your favorite playlist starts playing softly in the background. But it goes beyond just comfort. These AI assistants will learn your habits, anticipate your needs, and even help you manage your daily schedule. Imagine this. Your AI assistant reminds you about an upcoming appointment, suggests the optimal route to avoid traffic, and even pre-orders your coffee from your favorite shop on the way. And let's not forget about entertainment. These AI assistants will curate personalized movie recommendations, suggest new music based on your taste, and even play interactive games with you. But what's truly game-changing is their ability to connect with other smart devices in your home. Imagine your AI assistant coordinating with your robot vacuum cleaner to clean the house while you're away, or adjusting the irrigation system based on the weather forecast. Now, let's talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, health and fitness. Wearable health monitors are nothing new, but in 2025 they're going to be more than just step counters and heart rate monitors. We're talking about sophisticated devices that provide deep insights into your overall well-being. Imagine a wearable that tracks not just your heart rate, but also your sleep patterns, stress levels, and even blood oxygen levels. But it's not just about collecting data. These wearables will use advanced algorithms to analyze your information and provide personalized recommendations to help you improve your health. Imagine getting real-time feedback on your workout form, suggestions for optimizing your sleep schedule, or even early warnings about potential health risks. And for those with specific health conditions, these wearables can be life-changing. Imagine a diabetic using a wearable that continuously monitors their blood sugar levels and delivers insulin as needed. But it's not just about individual health. Imagine a world where this data is aggregated, with your consent of course, to help researchers develop new treatments and therapies. Alright gamers, this one's for you. Get ready to experience gaming like never before with next-gen gaming consoles. We're talking about consoles so powerful, they'll transport you to worlds that are practically indistinguishable from reality. Imagine games with graphics so realistic you'll feel like you're right there in the action. But it's not just about visuals. We're talking about haptic feedback technology that lets you feel every explosion, every gunshot, every punch as if you were right there in the game. And let's not forget about virtual reality. VR has come a long way, and in 2025 it's going to be even more immersive and accessible. Imagine strapping on a VR headset and being transported to a virtual world where you can interact with other players in real time. But it's not just about hardware. Game developers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating games that are more than just entertainment. We're talking about games that challenge you intellectually, emotionally, and even physically. And with the rise of cloud gaming, you'll be able to access your favorite games on any device, anywhere, anytime. So there you have it. Those are my picks for the top 5 must-have gadgets for 2025. From smart glasses that augment our reality to foldable phones that fit in our pockets to AI-powered assistants that simplify our lives, wearable health monitors that keep us in top shape, and next-gen gaming consoles that transport us to other worlds. The future of tech is looking incredibly exciting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about for 2025. See you in the next video.